Hey guys, welcome to another video of Math Tricks. So in this video, we'll answer one question that are negative primes possible, or you can say that can we add -1 to the category of prime numbers? So let's start. So if you're new to this channel, then do subscribe it, and if you like this video, then do like and share. Any queries, so you can put it down in the comment section. So first our question was that are negative primes possible, right? So first of all, what is prime number? So you will say that prime number is a number that has two factors, right? And which are those factors? 1 and the number itself. So let's take an example for that first, like 35. Okay, 1 5 7 35. Okay, so it has four factors more than 2, so you will say that it's a composite number. Okay, now let's take another number, -3. So it has also four factors, right? 1 -3 -1, okay, and 3. So you will say that -3 is also a composite number, right? Now let's take a surprising number, that is -1. It has factors of 1 and -1, only two numbers. So will you say that -1 is a prime number? Now this is the question. According to mathematicians and scientists, they say that -1 is not a prime number. Okay, and even it's not a composite number. Okay, so according to our knowledge, we know that 1 is also a number that is not prime and not composite, and -1 is also like that. But you will have a question that but -1 has two factors, then it must be prime. Now let's again look into the definition. Okay, now what the definition of prime number says, that the numbers that have two factors, okay, that have two factors, and which are those factors? As we discussed, 1 and the number itself. So according to this definition, -1 is a prime number, but according to the mathematicians, -1 is not a prime number. So what are the modifications that are needed in these definitions? Okay, so first modification that is needed is there should be a word added called as, we'll write here, positive. Okay, positive word should be added. So if all the factors of a number are positive and there are only two factors, so the number will be prime, right? So this satisfies that -1 is not a prime number. Now one more thing that I thought, that when you take a composite number, let's take a composite number as 24, okay, and you take the prime number factors of it. So the prime number factors are 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so you divide 24 by 1, it's 24. 24 by 2 is 12, and it is 8. So if you see all the resultants or all the quotients that we arrive 24, 12 and 8, there are some applications of these numbers in our daily life. Now I have experimented with some of the numbers, and I just actually concluded that there are some applications of the prime factors. For example, here 24 means we know that there are 24 hours in a day. Okay, now 12, you can say that if you divide a 24-hour day into two parts, so you will have 12 hours apart. Okay, right? So from 1 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then 1 p.m. to 12 a.m., right? and you divide 24 by 3, so it is 8, and the working hours or in some institutions is 8 hours a day. Okay, so these have some basic applications in the life. But whereas when you take the negative numbers, you don't see anything. Okay, we take -3, so we'll have some applications of 3 and 1. But what about -1 and -3? You don't have any r called -1 or -3. Okay, so there are some practical applications also, but as I mentioned, the answer should be logical. So logically, when we look into the definition that -1 is not a prime number, and we did a modification also in the definition, so that definition satisfies all the question of ours. And yeah, it also concludes that all the negative primes are not possible, only positive factors should be there. So what's your opinion? Is -1 a prime number or a composite number? You can put down in the comment section. And if you like this video, then do like it and share it with other friends also. Thank you.